feskermalgaiv. Jason here with a story appropriate to Halloween. Halloween's right around the corner, which means that it's Samhain Eve as well. Samhain is the dark half of the year in the Celtic calendar, and that's just about to begin here as October finishes. So at this time, this transitory time between October and November, the boundary between the spirit world and the human world is quite thin, and strange things can happen at this time of year. It's good to take some precautions, and the story I'm about to share with you will give you one way to keep yourself safe as these spirits join us more frequently and in greater numbers at this time. So as we start the dark half of the year, this was traditionally a time for storytelling because the days would be shorter and colder and darker, and people would be inside more as opposed to living outside. So it was an opportune time to tell stories, to pass the time, but also to connect with something deeper. If you think about it, summertime, springtime are kind of about outwards energy, whereas the colder times are more about inwards. So this inwards time is a great chance to reflect and prepare and look deeply before spring comes and that energy goes out and we go outside of our houses. Okay, so the story I'm about to share with you was inspired by a story from the Isle of Harris. And this kind of story is quite common throughout the islands and throughout the Gaeltacht, through the highlands as well. And it'll share one way of keeping yourself safe at this transitory time as Halloween and Samhain come closer. Okay, without further ado, let's enjoy an Taigh Oidhche Shamhna, the house on Halloween, or Hallows Eve, or Samhain Eve. Va dhachaidh dhilian aun. Dhachaidh dhilian. Gilia sho calam agus Ian. Dhachaidh dhilian. Dhachaidh dhilian. Dhachaidh dhilian. Two boys. Va dhachaidh dhilian aun. Callum agus Ian. As va Callum agus Ian a dul dhachaidh. Va an dhachaidh dhilian a dul dhachaidh. Dul dhachaidh. Va Callum agus Ian a dul dhachaidh. They're going home, yeah? Va iat a dul dhachaidh Oidhche Shamhna. Oidhche Shamhna. Oidhche Shamhna. For convenience sake, drawing a pumpkin. Halloween. Oidhche Shamhna. Oidhche Shamhna. Yeah. Oidhche Shamhna. Va an dhachaidh dhilian a dul dhachaidh Oidhche Shamhna. Agus. Chuala iat. Chuala iat. Chuala iad chuala. Chuala. Chuala iad. Chuala iad ceol. 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 Va an díos dílion Callum agus Ian a dul dhachaidh agus chuala iad ceol. Yeah. Huh. Ceol. Agus chunnaic iad Taigh. Chunnaic iad Taigh. Chunnaic. Chunnaic iad Taigh. Wow. Chunnaic. Callum agus Ian Taigh. Huh. Taigh. Agus va ceol. Va ceol ounce an Taigh. Okay. Va duine a dansach. Va duine a dansach. A dansach. Va duine a dansach ounce an Taigh. Okay. Gle va. Va ceol ounce an Taigh. Va duine a dansach ounce an Taigh. Agus va duine a shine. A shine. A shine. Singing. Va duine a shine. Va duine a dansach. Va ceol oun. Yeah. Va party ounce an Taigh. Yeah, agus chunnaic. Chunnaic. Callum agus Ian na duine a dansach. Agus chunnaic. Chunnaic iad na duine a shine. Chuala iad ceol. Ha party oun, gle va. Agus chaidh chaidh, past tense, right? Past. Chaidh an díos dílion Callum agus Ian. Chaidh iad a-steach. 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 Chaidh Callum agus Ian a-steach. Chaidh iad ounce an Taigh. They went in, right? Taigh le ceol agus duine a dansach, duine a shine. Oidhche Shamhna. Well, let's see what happens in the next part of the story.